So what we have is a 1913, 1911 that's in really poor shape that we're going to do a breakdown on. First I'm going to take the magazine out. And I'm going to take the grips off. Now we're going to turn the barrel bushing to where we can get the recoil spring and recoil plug out. The trigger's not locking back like it should. We're gonna take the slide stop out so we can take the slide off. And then we have the guide rod. Move the barrel bushing. Move the barrel. And pretty much the slides apart. And now we're going to take the rest of the frame apart. There's a pin that holds the mainspring housing in. And this mainspring housing might be kind of hard to get out because it's pretty well rusted in. Yeah, that might be a little bit of a challenge. Yeah, I need to get this mainspring housing out to remove the grip safety and stuff, and it's pretty well rusted in, so we're gonna have to see what we need to do to get this apart. Yeah, in the disassembly, this mainspring housing is pretty well rusted in place, so I think it's going to do quite a bit of damage trying to get it apart, so I don't think we're going to be able to get it apart right now. With the condition of this gun, it's a little bit more than what can actually be restored. The pits are so deep that it's pretty much destroyed the slide and destroyed the frame. I mean, there's not much we can do to this. The gun can be functional, but it's not gonna be restored to its original beauty. So, being the condition that it's in, this is not a candidate for restoration for the custom shop.